Ostriches are native to Africa, roaming the open savannas and arid woodlands of the continent. Towering up to 9 feet tall, they are the world's largest and heaviest birds. Built for speed, ostriches can sprint at an incredible 72 kilometers per hour, their powerful two-toed legs propelling them across the plains. With the largest eyes of any land animal, they spot predators from afar, and their formidable kicks make them a force to be reckoned with. These birds lay the largest eggs of any living species, each weighing as much as 24 chicken eggs. Today, wild ostriches thrive in countries like Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and South Africa. Though once widespread across Africa and Asia, their range is now restricted to sub-Saharan Africa, with small feral populations surviving in Australia. While the species overall is secure, some subspecies like the North African ostrich are critically endangered, and conservation efforts are vital to their survival.